Hi guys, it's Mattiace, and yes, due to the COVID pandemic and the travel restrictions that followed, this video is not from a tropical beach in the Philippines. No, this is what Sweden can look like for a few months during winter. Snow covering the branches of the trees here. This is actually in the middle of the night, and I actually don't need to use the light from the camera or the phone that I'm using, because a few street lights is well enough to keep this area lit up when there is so much snow reflecting the light. So as you probably know, I am super excited to start traveling again, going back to Southeast Asia, Philippines, and when I do, I will start vlogging again on this channel, seriously. And what I've come to realize is that I need a better camera. The phone just simply won't do. So lately I've actually started looking around for a GoPro camera or some equivalent. I'll be using it underwater sometimes, and I want to be able to use it at 240 frames per second for the sake of doing those slow motion montages that, are suitable for some situations. Now, I've come to realize that some of you guys watching my videos are from the Philippines, and I'm looking forward to visiting your country soon again. I'm also assuming that most of you have never actually seen snow, and well, if I could, I'd bring some with me, but at least I'll be able to show you what it looks like and what it can sound like when you walk in snow. Sound familiar? Maybe not to all of you, but to some of us, this is just as natural as laying on a beach during summer. So now personally, I really like snow, especially when it's cold enough so that the snow stays dry. When it's wet, now that's another story. But not everybody likes snow either way, especially not when it's related to traffic. Now, I used to always have a motor heater for my car or in my parking lot, so I never had to worry about scraping the windows and all that stuff. Well, at least when I was driving away from my own parking lot. If I had to park somewhere else, now that's a different story, and that could be quite uncomfortable actually, but well, what can you do when you live in Sweden, right? So let me know, what is your favorite thing about snow? What is the thing you hate the most about snow? And if you're one of those people that haven't seen snow, how much would you like to? Let me know in the comment section below, and I hope I will see you soon again.